Today, we have an exciting topic that's all about helping your little ones grow smarter and stronger. Are you ready to discover the top 5 toys that boost toddler brain growth? Let's dive right in. First up, we have building blocks. These colorful and versatile toys are perfect for developing your toddler's spatial awareness and fine motor skills. When your child stacks, sorts, and organizes these blocks, they're not just playing, they're learning problem solving and hand-eye coordination too. Next on our list is the classic shape sorter. This toy helps toddlers recognize different shapes and colors, enhancing their cognitive development. As they figure out which shape fits into which slot, they're honing their problem-solving skills and improving their memory. Third, we have musical instruments like mini pianos, drums, and xylophones. Introducing your child to music at an early age boosts their creativity and auditory skills. Plus, playing instruments helps with hand-eye coordination and even early math skills as they learn about rhythms and patterns. Fourth on our list are puzzle toys. Puzzles are fantastic for developing critical thinking and patience. When toddlers piece together a puzzle, they're learning to recognize patterns and improving their problem-solving abilities. It's a fun way to boost their cognitive skills. Last but definitely not least, we have storybooks. Reading to your toddler not only strengthens your bond, but also enhances their language skills and imagination. Books introduce new vocabulary and concepts, fostering a love for learning that will benefit them throughout their life. So there you have it, our top 5 toys for boosting your toddler's brain growth. Remember, the best toys are those that engage your child's mind and imagination while being fun and enjoyable. We have very limited sources to create a video like this, so please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment on what you want to watch next. Your feedback is our encouragement.